Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. How to log in. In this video, you will learn how you can easily log into your Synchrony Bank. So without any further ado, let's get started. Dive into your default web browser and in the above search bar, simply type in Synchrony Bank login. Hitting the enter will lead you to the search results where you can find various URLs. Click on the first URL that will lead you to the official web page of Synchrony Bank login page. Here you can fill up the form, you can input your username and password in the designated field and simply click on sign in to get logged into your bank account. If you forgot your username, there is an option to reset it by just clicking on the forget username option, or if you forgot your password, please click on the password button to reset your password. Thank you for watching video. Hopefully this guide helped you to log into your bank account. If that's so, like the video, subscribe to our channel and set the bell icon to all. Any of the queries can be dropped in the comment section. See you again in another video. Till then, have a great time.